You're watching AI Pro Tech, your daily gateway to cutting-edge technology, trends, and tools from across the globe. If you love staying ahead in tech, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's dive in. Starlink and T-Mobile just did the impossible. Satellite texting is now officially live across the US. That's right, T-Mobile has launched its brand new T-Satellite service. It's powered by over 650 Starlink satellites. Here is the real kicker. This ISNT just for T-Mobile users. It is available to anyone with a compatible device. For now, T-Satellite supports basic text messaging and live location sharing, even in the most remote cellular dead zones. Imagine hiking in the middle of nowhere and still being able to message 911 or send your live location. But if you re-on T-Mobile's Premium Go 5G Next or experience Beyond plans, it's completely free. Price will later increase to $15. So early adoption matters. As long as there aren't too many trees or clouds above you, you're connected. The service is launching at $10 a month as a standalone subscription. What about your phone? Over 60 models already support T-Satellite, including iPhones 13 and up, Google Pixel 9, and Samsung Galaxy S21 and newer. Your phone just needs to support ESM and satellite connectivity, and yes, your device will automatically switch to satellite mode when no cellular network is available. But that's not all. SpaceX has also partnered with Rogers in Canada, 1NZ in New Zealand, and major networks in Japan, Australia, Peru, and Chile to roll out similar services. T-Mobile is clearly using this as a chance to attract switchers from Apple and Verizon, both of whom are racing to catch up in this space. T-Mobile is already testing picture and voice messaging. And by October 1st, you'll be able to use satellite-optimized third-party apps like AllTrails, Google, Apple's Find My, AccuWeather, and more. If you found this helpful, tap like, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates daily. Voice and video calls are coming soon. Once SpaceX secures more radio spectrum, this service isn't just for emergencies. It's a lifeline for rural users, backcountry travelers, and anyone tired of being stuck in a dead zone. Even non-T-Mobile users can join, though they'll need to call customer service or visit a store to activate the satellite eSIM. Speaking of competition, Apple already offers free satellite messaging on the iPhone 14 and newer through Globalstar. While Verizon launched limited satellite texting with Skylo for newer Samsung and Pixel phones, but T-Mobile's move is different. It's open, affordable, and expanding fast. And it's not just America. Whether you're an adventurer, a developer, or just want to stay connected when it matters most, T-Satellite is a game changer. That's all for today's breakdown from AI Pro Tech. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.